Down here today at the new MXGP track at Magilligan. First time here, she's looking sweet. We're going to take the V2024 out today. We got a set of K-Techs on the front, courtesy of Clarence Bell from PLR Suspension. Big shout out to Clarence. And he got onto the T-Rex triple clamps on the top. So suspension all set. It's the stock suspension gone, and a K-Tech rear bladder kit put in there as well. So we'll get out today here and see what this track's like and have a bit of fun. Let the wee man enjoy himself. Philip is out there smoothing it out, or working on it for a change, doing something completely different. Definitely completely different. You can see the whole track now, whereas before you couldn't. It looks amazing, absolutely amazing. Ready to go, flow visions and all on. Yep, I love to go. Well, wee man, what do you think of new track one?
It's good.
Good?
It's long.
Long?
Long.
Just good or really good?
Really good. It's very technical in some parts.
Technical? It's an MXGP track, like. You were trucking rightly out there for your first go. Having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Something to eat, something to drink? Yeah? Good man. Well, wee man, first time riding Magilligan's new MXGP track. What's it like?
Best track I've ever rode.
Best track I've ever rode? Yeah. What's so good about it?
It's got the big long like straight, so you can really open up the bike. And whenever you think a turn's gonna go one way, it goes the other way, because it's really good that way.
What do you mean if the turn's gonna go one way?
So I'm used to the old layout. And like there's this turn where I would go that way, but now you have to come around it like straight, and then there's a big like jump.
Big jump where? Is that one down at the very bottom down there?
Yeah, the one where it's like a slim jump and then it's like a long jump at the bottom.
Aye.
So you have to hit it with the right body position, or else your head's gonna go whack.
And what's the 2024 bike like compared to the 2022? Is there any vibrations off it? No?
What does that mean?
Like, does the bike seem to be vibrating more than the 2022 or 2023 bikes? No?
No.
No? Just feels the same?
Yeah, it feels the same.
Yeah, just feels the same. What's it like to ride, but?
it feels lighter.
Uh-huh.
And it like corners better.
Aye, but Clarence did the suspension and all for you, and then we have T-Rex triple clamps and stuff on it. I know you have K-Tex on your other bike, but they need serviced. And does it feel faster, or does it feel about the same speed?
Faster.
Does it feel faster? Yeah.
Faster.
Even though it's bone stock?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, okay. You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good day for it. Lovely sunny day. Get that energy ball in you and more juice, because you're not going back out until you've eaten something. Because you've still got the cold. It was nice of Philip let you out today, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's good to you. So he is. Too good to you. Flipping spoiled rotten. We'll get you out again as soon as you get something to eat in you. Okay,
Yeah.
Man.